Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com making this video about gold. Let's get started. Let me take you back a few charts, few months back to this chart. This is the chart I made in October 2022. This is a gold weekly chart showing Elliott wave 1, 2, and then wave 3. 4 is here, A, B, C, and we're supposed to have wave 5 to the upside. This is how we're supposed to be going to the upside, right? So after that, what happened to this chart is this. We went all the way there. I'm going to skip a lot of charts in between. It's going to be almost a year, right? So forget about that. I made so many, I made the chart every step of the way. There is going up and down and up and all that. So now from here, you see, I was pointing out that wave 2 is going to be 1802, and then we're probably going to bounce, right? Look what happened? It came down here and start to bounce. So my target was this. What happened to that chart is went up above that and very close, not there, but above this 1959. Then I said it's going to drop back to 1920 and then go to the upside. And look what happened. Exactly the same thing happened, right? Since then, it's dropping. We went up all the way there and then start dropping. So this is how my next charts is my Renko chart. When it dropped all the way here, so I said, okay, this is drop enough. First, I was expecting a move to the upside from here, but it didn't happen. So it came down here. So I said, okay, now probably we're going to go to the upside. So I start taking entries from the smaller time frame. And this is how it went up. Then it started dropping again. And I said, okay, this one on December 16, that's going to go up to 2070 or 2080. That was the target. And we have reached 2070. Now, from this chart, from 16 to 22nd, Friday, I had a couple of trades. This one long here on 19, and this is on 21st, from here to here. And both of these were taken by my EA robot, automatically open, SL, place a stop loss, right? Placed in place, and then target and all of that. So this EA opens the trade very nice and clean once the setup is there. So these are the trades. These are the gold trades and the analysis, right? Now from there on, now what's going to happen? So I'm still making my charts, doing my analysis. Either it's going to come down here for a harmonic pattern, or maybe go if it is wave 1, 2, and we'll go from here all the way to the top for wave 3. So I'm going to finish making the charts, hopefully before the market opens up tomorrow. And I will be posting my new charts with the setup on my Telegram, which is this, right? So I'm going to post here. So if you want my new chart with the new analysis for the next week for gold, connect to my Telegram. And for that, I think you have to go to my website and subscribe. All right. So this is it for now. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get my YouTube on time, because the next video I'm going to make today, before the night ends, about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is flying and it's not going to go too far up before it drops. So need to be very careful, right? You need to know exactly what the heck is doing, as well as how far this wave, it's in wave 3 right now. Right, so wave 3 is going to be ending soon, and then it will drop for wave 4. Then wave 5 will start. All right, so I'm going to make the video tonight and post. So this is it for now. Like I said, that if you want to be a part of my group and get my analysis on time, come on here on my website and subscribe and become a part of it, and then get my system and start making your charts and start trading like this. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the weekend.